Hi, it's Dan from Fret Success here. I'm going to take you through the D minor 6 chord. This is a little bit different, but it's quite a useful chord, especially in like the jazz realm. It can sound a little bit crazy to those that aren't used to the sound, but trust me, it is a chord. So I'll play you the chord that we're going to go through first. See, it sounds a bit melancholy and a bit depressing. So we want to skip the top two strings, the E and the A string, and then we want to play the open D string, and then we fret our second finger there on the second fret on the G string, then we play the open B string, and then we play our first finger there on the first fret using our first finger. So we're playing from the D string. So what is the D minor 6 chord? It's dead easy. It's the D minor chord plus the major 6th note. The notes are the D, the F, the A and the B. That B is the major 6 chord that floats above the D minor chord. It's useful in jazz realms, but you may not even use it. But if you've googled this or tried to find this chord, then this is why you're probably watching this. I hope that's been useful. I've been Dan from Fret Success, and make sure you go to the Fret Success website and join the free academy on there. It's simple, just put a few little details in there and you're ready. See you next time.